Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will create a circular part, diameter 65 and 32, height is 55 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. (65) and 32. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 55 mm. Sketch. Next here you can see R 17.5 and diameter 15, length from the center 120 mm, thickness is 12 mm. (35, 15). Select line. Give the dimension. Give the constraint first, tangent constraint. (120). Select this and midpoint, give vertical constraint. Select trim. Select extrude. Give the dimension 12 mm. Next you can see opposite side. Width is 28, height is 30, R15 radius. Select line. Give the dimensions. Center dimension is 70 mm. This is 28. (14). Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 30 mm. Select fillet. Give the dimension 15. Apply. Select this surface, sketch. There is one hole, diameter 12. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Here select cut, through hole. OK. Select plane, sketch. You can see there is one rib, that is thickness 12 mm, thickness not mentioned in the drawing. So from the center distance is 100 mm. Select line. Give the dimension. Finish sketch. Select rib, thickness we want 12 mm. So that's it friends, you can compare both. If anything is wrong or missing, let me know in the comment please. So assign the material here. So we can assign the finishing here. So aluminum, can see aluminum polished. So with this we can edit the finishes. So if you want, you can edit this, you can give what color you want. So save the part. That's it friend, today's session. I'm requesting you to please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching this video.